Introducing the 2023 Toyota bZ4X. The salvation for manufacturing giant Toyota, the bZ4X is the all-new electric compact SUV. Made with a focus on practicality, performance, and comfort. The first car in the Beyond Zero lineup, the crossover is the future of EVs. With sleek, subtle yet aggressive, edgy, and futuristic looks, the exterior car is unlike any other you have seen. Available in two motor configurations, the bZ4X is made to offer all you can ever want from an SUV. The front-wheel drive has a single but powerful motor that makes 201 horsepower. The all-wheel drive variant features two motors, although the power increase to 215 horsepower is minimal. A 63.4 kilowatt battery pack comes with the single motor version, taking the EPA-estimated range to 252 miles. The dual motor edition packs 65.5 kilowatts and offers a 228 miles range that you can travel on a single charge. The charging speed for the bZ4X is also tremendous. The 6.6 kilowatt onboard charger can recharge the battery in 9 hours with a level 2 supply. Toyota claims that adding 80% charge at a DC fast charger takes less than an hour. The EV's interior is designed so that technology is integrated into every part. The cabin is spacious, airy, and the most luxurious in the EV segment. With leather and premium materials adorning each element, the top-of-the-line variant offers a lower dash heating element that warms the legs of front seat passengers. The broad center console between the front seats includes standard wireless smartphone charging and open storage underneath to store valuables. Standard on all bZ4X versions is a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 7-inch digital gauge display. The system is reasonably connected with cloud-based navigation, an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless smartphone charging. The bZ4X has a cargo space sufficient to transport numerous pieces of luggage. There is 38.8 cubic feet of space behind the rear seat, which can be expanded to 56.1 by folding down the rear seats. The vehicle is offered in two trims for you to choose from. The XLE and Limited are available with either a single motor and front-wheel drive or two motors and all-wheel drive. For those who want extra power, dual motors and all-wheel drive can be added to each model for $2,080. Because this is the EV reimagined.